What's going on, folks? Thanks for tuning in for another great episode on Santos Custom. On today's, we'll change the tire in the front, fix the rear brake. Are we installing a twist throttle? Did it finally get in the mail? Stay tuned. Let's get to work. Whoop! What up, guys? So I removed the outside of the tire. Whew. Put in the new one, BMX style. It was really cheap. I bought it at Walmart. I think I paid like 15 bucks. This is what I got, a 20 inch one. It's really simple to use. Took 2 seconds. Basically, you just need those. You could get them anywhere. Walmart, I think, also sells them. So basically, you just insert them in, flip it a turn. It takes one side, remove the inside, take off the other side of the tire, and reverse procedure to put in your new one. So we'll put that tire back on the trike. Let's extend the pegs and keep on working on it and hopefully get this thing finished. Do is I'm gonna try to remove this connector which has the on-off switch, and I'm gonna move that, check the wires where they go, and find the spot in the front of the trike where this could be mounted so that I can easily, in case of emergency, use it as a kill switch, and we'll take it from there and keep you guys posted. There it goes. So this is the wires needed to extend the harness. So we extended it, and now we're just wrapping it into it, and we'll be able to extend it, and it will protect the wires, and we'll take it from there. The switch is now up front, mounted tightly. It's screwed in, it's tight, so on-off switch is on the main beam. If ever there's a failure, you can easily like turn it off and turn it back in. So the cables are routed under the seat. I still need to finish this job nicer, but here it goes. Everything has been wired, so we just have to make this clean and put tie wraps, and we'll call it a day for that. Small concept on the e-brake, and we'll tack everything in place now, and we'll take it from there. Here goes, folks. We're back on the rear brake. I got little Matteo helping me out today. He's holding the brake bottle. We were trying to get rid of the old oil that was in the lines, so we're putting in fresh new brakes, oil I should say, sorry about that. We're putting in fresh oil, and we'll take it from there. So there it goes, guys. Just received a throttle, twist throttle. It finally came in the mail. Just hooked it up now. The wire is in. Just gonna route it properly, put it in place, and we'll take it from there. Whoop, whoop. Don't push too hard, huh?
Okay.
First try after the start. Just put it here. Done. Or at least it's getting there. Most pieces are in now. So twist throttle, ignition key. So looking good. What's up, guys? Hope you like this episode. So today we accomplished a lot. We got twist throttle that was installed. We installed ignition switch in the front. Kind of looks dope, I gotta say. We extended the front pegs because they were too small. Yes, it was for kids, but there's still some grown-up kids over here. And we got the end brake working. It's kind of cool. Really nice safety backup. Front brake is done. Changed the tire in the front. I think the kids have been playing with it a lot. I tested it myself just to make sure my heavy fat ass could ride that thing. It's not gonna break and it's gonna stop. So, no, regardless of whose kid is going in it, safe enough for them. I think I'm just gonna finish a few little things here and there, sand it up, paint it off, and we'll call it a day for this trike. The kids are gonna have a blast. Hopefully, I can find some sleeves to put on it, and that's it. So, if you like what you're seeing, folks, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you didn't know, I created a Facebook page and an Instagram as well. It's at SantosCustom Builds. So if you want to follow up on that as well. On that note, folks, hope you liked the video. That's all I got. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned, stay safe, and see you on the next episode. Woo!